What is good, YouTube? It's your boy ZayNY here, back again with another video. And today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of Apple's 2020 SE Apple Watch. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please hit that big thumbs up and please hit that subscribe button for more videos and unboxing videos you want to see from my ZayNY. Now, I hope everybody's having a beautiful day. You know, we still in the fucking pandemic, unfortunately. But I went to Apple and I said, you know what? I'm gonna buy me an Apple Watch because apparently my old one literally like shattered. If you guys see this, look at this. Hold up. If you see this, like my whole watch shattered. It's on and everything. Like the watch is on, but literally you can see the inside of this shit. Like you see this, guys? You see this? You can see the inside. This shit is whole crack. And it felt like this. This is the Series 3 44mm. And this is what I get. $250. I bought it in Best. I bought it $250. I bought it Best Buy last year for I think it was Black Friday sale. I got it on sale and it just said fuck you and it broke on me. I dropped it and I didn't have Apple Care, so I was not gonna fix this watch. But it is what it is. I got a new one, a 2020 edition one, the SE. I hope it's worth it, honestly. But let's just go right into the unboxing. All right, guys. So unfortunately, I had to like switch everything around so I can actually show you guys that I got an Apple Watch, the new one, the SE 2020 edition. Let's see if this is like really. I just love unboxing shit. Let's see if this is really worth it, honestly. I'm gonna do another separate video to show you guys what is in this box, to show you how it's working, to show you guys how it's actually working, and it's just really functional. And you know, I was gonna get the Series 6, but I said, nah, I'm not gonna do that because I'm not about to say and spend $500 over what. So we're gonna unbox this. Okay, so that's what I do. Just okay. I just love unboxing stuff. I don't know why, it's just so satisfying. Especially when, oh, this is a dope, hold up, y'all gotta see this. Look at this, this is fire. I never got it unboxed. Oh shit, oh shit. Give me two things in it, wow. So, let's get right into it. I'm sorry that I'm switching all over. Damn, this shit is small. It's always small, it's a fucking watch, what can you say? Oh shit, look at this bad boy, guys. I don't think you guys can see that. Look at this bad boy. Now I'm gonna take my shit. Oh wow. It's supposed to be, I don't know, I'm the worst unboxer anybody could be. I don't even care. Oh shit. Oh my god, this is so different. Like, what? Look at it, look at it. Ah, look how beautiful that shit is. That's this. Now, let me not drop it. Let me put it back. And then we got, what we got in the box right here. Sorry about that, guys, if you can't see. Basic shit that comes with the fucking box. Talking about, hey, you know how to work a watch? I know how to work a watch. I've already been through like 4 already. And unfortunately, the SE and new products do not come with the little box. Let me see if I can show you guys. This does not come with this. This comes alone. You gotta buy this alone. Since I got like 50 of them, I'm not gonna buy one. So we got the charger, which I'm gonna save because I have another charger. So I don't know if I should use the brand new charger for this watch or should I use the old charger for the other watch. I'm trying to think because my other watch was still new, so yeah. I don't know. So that is just that. This comes with the watch. And then we got the wristband, 44mm. You get to pull it here. Woo. And then I guess you put it like this. And then bada bing, bada boom, boom. And it just comes with mad shit. Like, oh wow, they gave me a small and a medium, which is convenient, which is very convenient because I need medium and small in case sometimes I don't even want to rock small, so I want to rock medium. I don't know, I'm just talking my shit because this is dope. And I asked the guy, I said, sir, how much is one of this? How much is for this? And he said, $59.99. You must be out your fucking mind. I'll get this on eBay, 50 of these for like $3. Like, nah. You're bugging. That's too much. That is too much. Oh my God, this is... Yo, it's so different. Like the 3 is like more boxy. Like I'm gonna do a comparison right now. But I miss my watch. I have to get my babies back. Like, boom. I don't think you guys can see it, but look at that. Look at that bad boy. Oh my God, I miss having my baby. Look at this. Oh my God, I miss it, yay! No, let's not. All right, guys, I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison of the 3, the messed up 3, and the new watch that I have on, and I'm gonna start it up for you guys and show you everything, how to set it up, and I will show you in a minute. I'll be back. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do a comparison on the Apple Series 3 and the Apple Series SE. Now, as you can see, this SE is way much bigger than the 3. I don't understand why. I think this has more screen than this. I'm kind of confused because this doesn't have a lot of screen. This does. Now, I'm gonna do a watch setup review right now. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this crazy watch that's fucked up. And then this one, that is my new baby. And I also got other bands as well. I got bands that I could change it up every day and stuff like that. But yeah, this is the Series 3 on the right and the Series SE on the left. Well, it's y'all right and my left. You understand. But yeah, this is the comparison, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the comparison. But yeah, honestly, the back is way different. Like, it's way different. I don't understand how this is different. And it, like, do you see the back? It's way bigger, way better, in my opinion. So, yeah, guys, I'm gonna set up the watch right now. All right, as you can see, it's on. I'm gonna pick English, United States. I'll be right back. I'm going to pair it with my iPhone, and then I'm gonna show you everything else. Done, guys. So now I'm gonna click the digital crown. And now I got my watch. Oh my God, this is straight screen. Straight screen? Wow, this is awesome, guys. I'm gonna do a review on this. I'm surprised, honestly, like the way it looks. Everything is just amazing. I like it, honestly, guys. You could feel like when you turn the digital crown, you could feel all the like the vibration, like that looks nice. And I think it's waterproof resistant too. I'm not too sure. What's this? There's new apps on here? I think there's new apps on here, guys. Compass, longitude, latitude. Always allow. Oh shit, that's dope. Is this a compass? Oh no, that's fire. That's fire, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that big thumbs up and please hit that subscribe button for more videos and reaction videos and unboxings and all videos you want to see from the boy, ZayNY. I'm not gonna lie, I gotta fix up this watch, and I'm not gonna lie, I like the impression so far. It's a big screen, like just to say it's a more bigger screen, which I needed a bigger screen because honestly, the other watch, I'm gonna fix it and give it to my mom's because, you know, honestly, I didn't want to fix it for me because, nah, I was not gonna pay 150, 160 to fix it. Meanwhile, I got it for 250. Like, that made no sense. So I'm gonna fix it, give it to my mom as a present, probably for Christmas or something. You know, do something nice for her. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that big thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and reactions and all videos you want to see from the boy. ZayNY, I'm out. Peace.